Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Uwais Ahmed and you're watching Hashtags. In the previous video we learned about the states and the props, but in this video we're gonna take one step further and learn about the event handling in React. Without wasting the time, let's learn about the event handling in React. Just like HTML DOM events, in React.js we can perform different actions based on user events. React has same events as HTML, for example, click event, change event, mouse over, etc. But the only difference in defining the React events and the HTML events is their syntax. For example, in HTML we write the events in lowercase, while in React events are named using camel case. In HTML we pass a function or the event handler as a string, while in JSX we pass the function as the event handler. In HTML, we can return false to prevent the default behavior of the event. But in React, we must call prevent default explicitly. Let's understand it by an example. I'm gonna jump into my code editor and create an HTML page. And inside the body tag, I'm gonna create an anchor tag. Anchor tag is used to link the external or the internal web pages. And when an anchor tag is clicked, it points us towards that page and we can change its default behavior. Let's see how to do it. We'll create a onClick event, and onClick is equal to string. We'll write console.log you have clicked this button, and then we'll return false. Now when this button will be clicked, it will show a message in the console screen and prevent the default behavior of that action. By default, when you click the anchor tag, it moves you towards another web page. But as we have returned the false, it won't do anything. Rather, it will prevent the default behavior of that action. Similarly, if we want to do the same thing in React, the procedure is gonna be different. In React, let's create a component called action component, and in the return statement, I'll be returning the anchor tag. I'll write a href is equal to link, and then onClick is equal to curly braces. I'll leave it empty for now, and then I will type the text. Click the button, and I will create an arrow function. Const handler is equal to arrow function, and I'll be passing e as a parameter, and then writing the function body. I will type e dot prevent default. It's used to prevent the default behavior of that element, and then I'll type console.log you have clicked that link, and I'll import that component into app.js file and open the terminal and start the project by typing npm start command. Now let's check our web browser. When we click this link, it does nothing. But let's right click on our web page and click on the inspect and check the console tab. You can see it's printing the message you have clicked that link. That actually works because it's not pointing us towards any other page. But you might be thinking, what is E in that function? It is called static event. And similar to HTML DOM events, you can use the same events with React.js as well. And you can check the list of HTML DOM events on w3schools.com, and I'll put the link in the description for your convenience. I hope now you guys have the idea and the understanding of events in React.js. And in the upcoming video, we'll be working with forms, how to work with a form, and in that video, we'll be using all the previous concepts like props, states, and event handling. So make sure you cover all these topics. And if you have any question, you can join my Discord community, or you can also put your question in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer you as soon as possible. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Till that, take care. Allah Hafiz.